Nanso ye da na adwene ye so da ya ubehu se uhu different body ye wa
ya
nte bi kwa make nkre na wote ba obetumi aso da na wokuma se wo ye bibi wo
wo ye bibi wo
time be na kofu plane ko ye
da bi wada
time be na wo fo car ko ye
wada.
But now you are seeing these two bodies
at the same time.
The who are dream muno and the damn person two different things.
And pet.
Now only be a young cranny you won't crash. Na your co baby a see pa. Was a woman in sue and a bucket to be sequent if you know what they have baby a gum.
Yeah.
It will be a horror and so. The attorney said, Sir sent a dead body muno. Attract elemental forces.
Okay.
On the Baddo na more than a job say no did and I said na obino or no be dano. Sa elemental forces no more critics are there no. Or move feed on element sa element
sa sentinel
itano. And intino so you will be a 10 be out yes baby. Now on 2 man now the call say purifier it means you are always being followed by those elemental forces no.
Nessa na and to man who see purifier. That be
on say what they purify.
Okay.
For something like ordinary salt.
Okay.
And China is one of the powerful purificants. It is a way they go in now the Horana say if you walk away yaba now they on Toman Hata ho now they in Chinsu appetitim kakra crasy and for some time and started the Hawk tranking. Some of these things people don't know. They didn't think I be a chum. Now you're the bucket to see what didn't sue say will be
a bra quest. You could see it.
No, and yes, be our so from be our
one so she must as a phone
because I have seen a woman a hyssop. Hyssop just say a cleanser. What I say, yeah, and the idea eat and the third element in the free body in the mako. The fourth element, no, this will be woo. Ebi almost any pakura with the abu be to baby, na say yanko fanankwa. Yeah. Or that hocha no who break kaka. Why ya no who knows has no ojo. Yeah. Ojo was ensuo. Baby, because that's the fourth element. The water must leave.
Essence so call.
Essence so and heading can air co, fire co. Yeah. It a co. The water must go. Then I cut the last element on your earth. So according to science, it's proven. So be now giant to baby no be uncle fire that for 60 good years and be better than a here. No pay woman when you are better than a so earth, water, fire, air, and eternal and have 5 elements here. Now make the boss have flesh way. Obia will be. Yes, Obia will be. Now so you're done. I'm going to soon die. Who say who different body wa yeah nte bi kwa make nkre na wote ba obetumi aso dan na wokuma say wo ye bibi wo wo ye bibi wo time be na kofu plane ko e there be wada time be na wo fo car ko e wada but now you are seeing these two bodies at the same time the who are dream mu no and the damn person no two different things enye pe eno ye subtle body eno ye normal miensa na nyame de ye the mind, the intelligence, and the false ego. Who are Diana? Now, also Diana, your connection between the subtle body and the gross body. Okay. And this is what I just said. You're born as a son of a you. Yeah. Obviously, will be American. Also, Diana. Also, Diana. Now you're about your bema. Now, no be that what Diana more. Are there channel who symptoms say says here? I maybe a brand to be catch them say or die we so been in a bed. But any tea and none is seeming in a gumpano. Yes. Oh, so and or baby wants also to be cast or Timus and from Nassa. So I said they in Tina then Diana. What it means is that it was actually happening not with this your gross body but with your subtle body. Oh, but the Diano yes. Because nipa no wen hu no wonko na ada dem ho ba wo so da wo so bi ne woda wonu kunu dem person ne yeah nothing shows say bi oni obi e da wo mpam nanso ade akyen no there were some something to show until dreams nya kwa in fact from there ne beba omuwe so things I want to say about omuwe Matthias dreams men fa ni abro ye fa ye da ye ni abro it is your subtle body that is in action anytime this body goes into slumber your subtle body start to activate. Papa say what dream na say who said okay say bi obi ne woda anasa whatever bi a wo ba bi obi abawutuo anasa eyina na saa no who ni pa say wo fa ni serious say take it very serious because see also dia enya wo dia na wo so ya enye ne be ma de boni ato okay e ya de boni e ba beto na wo so ni eyi a kire oh nti you need bad dream all dreams are good because information ye dey man wo kra na sato kra be ka kire ne say ade say wo wani ade da wan ti she so be bibia ye hu bibi na bibi say da wani say ye good situation ye bad situation every dream is supposed to be good because ebo won kaye.
Enti na say any bad dream.
Any bad dream.
Dream be a dream.
People think say you were bad dream because say wo so die anything na e ma na besi. No. E ya de e ba besi. Na mo no na e ma ho information.
Se wo bibi wo ho abeye de esi ne kwan aye.
There is the work okwa abanten no pay na obi say ensu beto. Na ofa chiniye. Ensu beto ntimi nya ensu say ento beto na mto kura chiniye ntino.
Wonya bambo mfo.
So say na dream it here.
Oh, powerful.
Say na dream it here. Until wonya information be no, you take some precautionary measures.
And e bi so da we be na obedro of na me so da bi no aka na sa na okọ.
Yeah, dreams you mahodo makom yensa.
Okay.
You will dreams that contains information about your past life.
Okay.
Dream contain information about your current life.
The obra ubo
say
any the
for the future. Then for you to be able to differentiate between which of the dreams, you know, are very important.
Okay.
And your dream be an so a bomb.
All right.
And they say that you be information a woman, a idea about be a trauma in your previous life.
Oh,
those dreams are incident.
Okay.
By dream of our current life and your future life, and be careful because a bit
me see because obi wa oti ade say atome pain.
As atome pain.
Yeah, obi timi ka was say I won ka was ade as atome pain. As me hu pain. Ebi a oti here was me hu pain say na me tina SOMPA ha.
So my first time I remember.
And so this is my first time. Let's who ni daim.
That's the previous thing na see. Some of these people don't pay attention. Did I make can be say these 5 elements in your body.
Your body no.
Any 3 elements in your way a subtle body no. We need to understand.
I see a tears here.
The one no your way no.
We no ko
subtle body no nya no.
What do you want kwai?
And they say yeah we body you must share. They are if you have the third eye to see them, they still look complete better than how they were before.
Because no dey wo kan mama kai so bi wo ha say near death experience.
Yes.
Oh yeah, was me sorry Jnana ho. Me sorry Jnana me hu say me da ho.
Yes, that's it.
I was some near death experience no. So sometimes me sorry. And me hu say me da ho.
Because when you say no.
No when you say me shame me hu say ya. And me hu say me tuko baby.
Yes, yes.
E tubo so say e na me sa be share me body nim.
Shey of course for tonight here obi surgery. So no epadia no up to 12 feet from the body.
Okay.
Normally to the level of the ceiling. Na ohwe said your moye the body no adwuma.
Manani adia.
Normally be your pani bi a da. Ohwe anu mo ye bibia awie. So no be wura body no owura mu na say enye the way your pen na afiri ko. Yes, oh the operation was successful by your nipa no. The soul looks at the body.
Body na one body no pen one pen no.
No ko. Na ade me am a personal experience.
All right.
Me bank ha kane kula senior no best in 1996 oh baby. Oh man kinda. Yeah travel like one dan hu ye kula se bi we. Obasu nyan ya baba ko bi na bi.
Yeah.
Ntina me wo yellow cab e wo odon ha.
Okay.
Me cross a call agboblishi. Na travel like na yesterday it's be lane yesterday. First lane no e omo branch about the side and a 2 lanes no e omo twoma call e graphic and kasa. Nti me drew on him say I saw red I say utwam. A young boy the man say I saw red. Nti me dimilike twam. Sa na omo cover by ha no pen I saw red.
Enya ha no.
We num dey 2 ni I saw green a omo nyina the speed ba. Nti me dimilike na enwumre be say 4-5 oh baby. Ana me kota ade wo aboboshi because e be pon o kantamanto. Mani ba me ho so na me ne car no speed impunumpu. Dia me kaya ba ko pe. Me dem nsa so car no light no. Baby and the light in the wall left no. E ho ba na me ka say me say see e. Ndo omo wo ho na say akire mo say me samasoto yin me ye match at school.
Okay.
So I samasorted. Nti me be da ho na mani ba me so na we nim so de na so green almost so be ko na me ti that time na say. Hey. Na me say jump ye na me be see pavement nso. Nti de me ti an say o wapira. But na enye na me hwe. You know what? That time when na me dem inside saw car. What I saw and say me gina baby a best 100 miles away. Ni nyina is a desert. No be nyina so ade me didn't feed that. Na me hwe so say ya. I say people sitting in a circle form.
Wow.
Omo nyina obia is clothed with white clothing. And omo nyina hwe me say. Sir, ade me didn't feed that. I was a young boy I was maybe scared school from. Nti me gina ho na me ho so me say we pray no. I was reminiscing the name hu no. But people are everywhere. Then I was naked standing there. Nobody was standing there. Maybe one said nipa no tesoro.
Omutin konya so. Circle bia so se fita. No bia show.
Ntika no etwam ko bese 100 meters away. So wapira ti me gina ho saa na man na buy na me so me mprai. So no kota ka me wapira accident dey later na be so wapira me se me mprai na man so me ntra de kan na me tena kan no de me call saa no kwa no pharmacy shop kese e wo kan shi wo ba bi.
Okay.
To de me kwa no so mo wo me pane me so pane me mpe. To ara me say on fa aduro no ma me nurse nti me kofi obe wo be.
Smart boy, so at that time the smart boy.
People say,
yeah.
I can say atemu no ko da wa ko twen no. The day you die, and that day you be judged.
Oh,
my dear, what I saw, the later down, maybe so I was under judgment.
You be what
instantaneously you be judged.
Nese wunya wu ye no an watemu na ye ready nya fe na wo ko se ba bia twen.
Tem bia make story.
Ka bia wo kai.
I see the view
na wu ye no. Nipa abom chenku na e wa she fita and they were looking at you.
Everybody was me so munyina.
Yeah, so.
But they were sitting in a circle form. Na me so.
Yeah.
I don't know the steps I'm making. But me really feel that them make a story we pa. Na ma adwena ko si ba bia na me gina.
Yeah, na say why is a desert.
Obia nyina
ka wonko a.
Nko na me gina in the midst of a big land. Nti achire ya me ba fie no. Me say what was happening? Nti achire ya disuya they understand say when your time is up, that very moment you be judged.
You be bu aten.
See, people think that owo no ya de bi ehu abro so said ye da no.
Yes, I net because obi timi uda unhu kwa be fa so ada.
Yes.
O to ho no a o da na mo a ebi okro bu okuta ne phone na bo se.
Na to phone.
Phone na to ko. Mada.
Owo to say na but the tie say your life we know it is considered to be a long dream. So when we pass out they friend there for Hannah. They in that realm we will see say oh son na your son die.
Who do see the other side no one and I be say na in time no if you do obedi wo Hannah San life now obedi was a 50 years so say 60 years no say na it was a dream for those in eternity.
Yes. They the best 100 years are there na be few seconds be.
It's where we brani mu aten. Where you adwuma wie.
Yes.
Ti atemu wo ho.
Atemu wo ho me nuaba memfa ni agoro. My personal experience I will tell you.
Yeah. Oh, it will be to say, oh, who anasa, no, I can't say,
you don't know what you're talking about. I know what beside who say, Unu couldn't dampaso. And I was Sunday, and I get to be chase you. I wanna chase you after a long time. After every all show now, boop it sorry. And I say, Adam,
yeah, let me so
all this time I get an pamuni now, okay, coming in no. Bemane da ho one tishi
wada.
That should tell you say apart from this our gross realm no, there is another realm a wuni.